Well, if it's a really classic Corvette you're looking for, this could be the car for you. This is a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Corvette L79 Coupe. Let me tell you, this is an absolutely beautiful car. It's in great shape as well. This is code correct rally red on the exterior, has a code correct black vinyl interior, and under the hood, it has that numbers matching 350 horsepower, 327 cubic inch L79 engine. The car has a 4-speed manual transmission. It looks great driving down the road, and this is going to be fun to drive. Features include the side exhaust, power brakes, AM/FM radio, power antenna. We know the car was originally assembled February 17th, 1966. And this 66 Corvette L79 comes in that desirable red-black color combination with that 4-speed manual transmission. It has side exhaust as well for that classic rumble. And the car's paint, well, it's in good condition. It has a great shine. Now, with the exception of the windshield, all exterior glass in this car shows a correct date code. And the chrome bumpers, well, they show a good to very good finish with the exception of the driver's rear. The weather stripping and the taillights are very good, and correct style hubcaps are in place. The interior of this 66 Corvette L79 shows good condition seats, gauges, and steering wheel, excellent glove box lid, and very good carpet and those GM seat belts. It has the correct appearing AM/FM radio that's in place, and the numbers matching 327 cubic inch L79 engine in this car shows original casting date of October 30th, 1965, with final assembly February 2nd. The correct air cleaner, intake manifold, ignition shielding, radiator hoses, hose clamps, all in place, and included with this car will be receipts dating back to 2005. It also has a reproduction owner's manual and a 1966 Corvette Assembly Manual. So give us a call today. We're buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. You can talk to one of our experienced sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, if you want to see pricing on this car and more beautiful photos, be sure to click the link right below this video here, and it will take you to the website where you can do all that. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.